Welcome to the Office of Disability Services. We are a resource for students, particularly students who identify as having a disability. We help students navigate their Rutgers University experience and the use of academic accommodations. As a new student who is transitioning from high school to college, you may be wondering if you want to register with the office. ODS recognizes that there are barriers, but we encourage you to connect with us. Let's have that conversation now to break down those barriers. Remember, you are the driver of your academic experience. Registering is just the first step. Our website will be your first stop in the process. Visit ods.rutgers.edu and you will see a tab at the top of the page labeled Students. Under Considering Rutgers, you can get an idea of what accommodations look like. If you have any questions, you can go to the Disability Services Inquiries page and submit an inquiry form. Accommodations at the college level are different than high school, and you'll find a page that describes those differences. When you are ready to start the accommodations process, go to Registering for Services. Here, you can see an overview of what to expect during the registration process and submit a registration form to get started. Once you have submitted your registration form and initiated the process, one of our coordinators will contact you to meet. In our current state, these meetings will likely occur virtually. During your meeting with your coordinator, you'll get the chance to share more about your experience as a learner both in and out of the classroom. You'll also go over any documentation that you have that speaks to the nature of your disability. After you've met with your coordinator, ODS will review your documentation. Your coordinator will get back to you with their determinations and discuss your next steps. We look forward to meeting you, and welcome to Rutgers.